Welcome back to ClearTask. If you have opened WhatsApp recently, you have probably noticed the new Meta AI feature. Today, I will show you how to hide and mute it so it stops getting in your way. Let's get straight to the point. Because Meta AI is now a built-in core feature, you cannot completely uninstall or delete it from the application. However, you can restrict it and completely remove it from your chat list using this updated method. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the Meta AI icon. Type a simple random question to start a conversation. You need to do this to unlock the chat settings. Once the AI replies, tap on the name Meta AI at the top of the screen to open its profile. Next, tap on Notifications. Turn on the mute option, select Always and tap OK. This ensures you will never receive an alert from it again. After that, go to Advanced Settings in the same menu and turn off the Use High Priority Notifications switch. Now go back to your main chat list. Press and hold the Meta AI chat. Then tap the Delete or Archive icon to completely wipe it from your inbox. As an extra step, check your main WhatsApp settings. Go to Chats, and if you see an option called Show Meta AI button, simply toggle it off. That is it. Meta AI is now out of sight and muted forever, leaving your chat list clean again. If this guide was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple, direct tech solutions. Thanks for watching.